Hello, young nature explorers. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting adventure into the forest to meet some amazing forest friends. Are you ready to discover the secrets of the owl, squirrel, and woodpecker? Let's get started. We are here in the heart of the forest, a magical place where many creatures call home. First, let's meet our feathered friend, the owl. Owls are incredible birds known for their unique features. Here are some fascinating facts about them. Owls are night owls. They're most active during the night, and their excellent night vision helps them spot prey in the dark. Silent flight. When owls fly, they do so almost silently, thanks to their specially designed feathers. This allows them to sneak up on their prey without a sound. Sharp beak and talons. Owls have powerful beaks and talons for catching and gripping their prey, like mice and small rodents. Rotatable head. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around, up to 270 degrees. This helps them scan their surroundings without moving their bodies. Now, let's move on to our next forest friend, the playful squirrel. Squirrels are known for their energetic and playful nature. Here are some cool facts about them. Bushy tail. Squirrels have fluffy tails, which help them with balance, communication, and keeping warm in the winter. Acrobatic skills. They are excellent climbers and jumpers, leaping from tree to tree with ease. Cheek pouches. Squirrels have special pouches in their cheeks for storing and carrying food. They're like little backpacks. Dental superheroes. Squirrels' teeth never stop growing, so they need to chew on things like nuts to keep them from getting too long. Let's now explore our final forest friend, the woodpecker. Woodpeckers are skilled drummers and builders of the forest. Check out these amazing woodpecker facts. Drumming masters. Woodpeckers peck on tree trunks to communicate, attract mates, and find food. They can do this without getting a headache. Strong beaks. Their strong, chisel-like beaks help them dig into tree bark to find insects and larvae. Sticky feet. Woodpeckers have special feet with sharp claws that allow them to cling to tree trunks and avoid falling. Nesting skills. Woodpeckers make their nests by excavating holes in tree trunks, creating cozy homes for their families. Owls, squirrels, and woodpeckers are just a few of the amazing creatures you can find in the forest. Next time you go for a walk in the woods, keep an eye out for these fantastic friends, and remember to respect their homes and habitats. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, young explorers.